Supply Partners was honoured to recently host the Sungrow official HV Battery launch in Sydney. And today we've received some of the first products arriving into the Australian market. So we're going to do an unboxing for you to show you this great product and talk to you about some of its features. Today, for unboxing purposes, we're just going to put one 3.2 kilowatt hour module onto the setup. Usually you would have to start at 9.6 kilowatt hours, which is 3 modules, which is one of the most common size storages people are looking for out there in residential hybrid systems. So let's finish this unboxing. As you could see, assembling this product was really easy for one person. There's handles there that made it really easy to lift the battery module. There's no cables between each module and the top cover and the base, so everything just drops into place. You can't get things around the wrong way. There's even a state of charge indicator here on the front of the product, and aesthetically the product looks great. So let's talk about some more features of this great product. It has a 10-year warranty with a guaranteed 70% state of charge at the end of year 10, meaning even after 10 years, you're going to have guaranteed plenty of storage left in the product. So the chemistry used in this battery is lithium iron phosphate, which is one of the safest lithium technologies out there. This product is currently compatible with the 5 and 10 kilowatt 3-phase Sungrow Hybrid Inverter, and will also be compatible with the new single-phase hybrid inverters coming from Sungrow soon. As mentioned before, this product starts at a minimum of 3.2 kilowatt hour modules, which is 9.6 kilowatt hours, and it can be stacked up to 8 modules high. So a full tower ends up in 25.6 kilowatt hours. You can parallel 4 of the towers together, giving you approximately 100 kilowatt hours of storage. Another feature with this product is it has an Ip55 rating, but it actually has a C5 corrosion rating. So we hear from a lot of installers that they're concerned about the corrosion rating on solar panels when it's installed near the coast, which is a lot of this great country, but this product here has you covered with a C5 corrosion rating. Also, when commissioning this product, as you saw, things just drop into place. They've pretty much made it a toolless installation, so you don't really need tools for most of the install. And commissioning this, those of you who are already doing Sungrow out there using the iSolar Cloud to commission the normal PV inverters, that's the same app that's used to commission this product. So really easy commissioning using the iSolar Cloud app. Some other components that came in the box with the cover and the base was this switchgear box. Now, this switchgear with the built-in DC isolator does integrate into the side of the battery for a seamless finish and design. So please note, this product will slide into the side of the battery. It also comes with this bracket. So Sungrow focus on safety. If you build the tower really high, this bracket will allow you to affix it to a wall, so there's no chance of it falling over. This great product is starting to come into stock at Supply Partners now. We are very proud to be Sungrow's longest running distributor in the Australian market for over 8 years. So come to Supply Partners, we're not just a box mover, we provide technical support and sales support. So contact our team today for pricing and availability.